Hey guys, it's Anne here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys the most recent designer handbag that I got, and I'm actually quite excited to share this bag with you guys because it is something that I've been wanting for quite some time now, and I finally got it. So let's start. The bag came in this plain white dust bag. As you guys can see, there's no logo or anything, but you guys already know what brand this is based on the title. So let me show you guys the bag. This is the Maison Margiela Glam backpack in color black with the gold hardware. So this bag retails for $1,495 US, but I was able to get mine for only $1,270 because I bought this from a website called Farfetch, and they actually had a 15% off. So I applied that when I bought this bag, and I'm quite happy because I don't think I would have bought this bag in full price. I don't know why, but I'm happy that I was able to save quite a bit. So now let's get into the bag. First, I just want to mention that this bag has a really soft leather. If you guys are familiar with the Glam line, most of the bags from that line or collection are all made out of vine leather. I think that's what it's called. So it's really soft, as you guys can see. I hope you guys can touch the bag right now because it's really soft, and it kind of looks like a pillow, but if you touch it, it is kind of like a pillow or like a sofa that's so comfortable. If you're tired, you can just probably lie down on it and fall asleep. So the bag features the Maison Margiela numbering here. I do not want to call it their logo. I prefer to call it the numbering. So as you guys can see, and it also has one zip closure right here. And one thing I like about this bag is that it has a back slip pocket right here, and I think this is big enough to fit your phone. I will show you guys later on what fits inside. And as you guys can see, I still have the tag on, although I'm not gonna return it. I just don't want to remove it yet. So as you guys can see, I bought this bag from Farfetch. So now let's get into the bag. So I actually already opened this bag, and this one right here is just the dust bag for the strap. It also came in this plain white dust bag, and this is the strap right here. So as you guys can see, it came in this shiny gold hardware. So it's a kind of pale gold. I can't explain, but it's not really that gold-ish kind of color. And we also have the leather part of the strap right here, which is also made out of ovine leather, which is the leather of the bag itself. So I kind of like it because it's very soft. So I will show you guys later on the different ways to use this bag. And nothing else is inside, just some paper to stuff the bag. So inside the bag there is also one inner pocket. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it has the logo right here, and then the inner pocket is right here. It's also big, so you can put, I guess, your wallets inside, and then that's it. There are no other zipped wallet inside, just a big compartment, and then the inner pocket, and then we also have the back pocket right here. So now I'm going to show you guys what fits inside, and I'm only going to put my everyday essentials. So first I have this Gucci card holder. So I'm gonna put this in the inner pocket. And then next I have this hand sanitizer that I'm pretty sure you guys must have in your bags nowadays. We all need it. And then next I have this pocket tissue. And then I also have this blotting paper. Just throwing it in. And then next I have this another card holder, which I just use to put my like receipts and metro card. So since I know that this is something that I need to grab quickly or I need to grab often, so I'm gonna put this in the back pocket right here, so it is convenient to grab when I need it. And next I just have this small Advil. Next I have this the Face Shop hand cream. And then I also have my AirPods. So by the way, my AirPods case is called from my brand called Elago. It's a kind of jelly case, so it's a really cute case, and I picked like a neon color so that for this case, for example, like, so I just dropped my AirPods. I think it's still working fine. But yeah, as I was saying, like, I picked this color specifically because, like, for example, if your bag looks like this inside, like it's all black, like if you have this bright colored AirPods case, you can easily find it. So, and then last two items that I have are these. This one is just a bread strips, and this one is a lip balm, Chanel lip balm. I don't think you guys need to see that. So I'm also gonna throw these in the inner pocket so that I can grab it easily. And of course, actually I have one more. So I always also carry my iPhone charger. Also gonna throw that in. And last but not the least, my phone. So I have an iPhone 8 Plus, so it's quite big. As you guys can see, I can actually fit it in the back pocket, but if I were to use it like as a backpack, I feel like it's gonna hurt my back, so I would rather put it inside. So, and as you guys can see, it still has quite some room. You can probably put some sunglasses inside, and this is what it looks like with all my stuff inside. The shape of the bag didn't change, like it doesn't really bulk at the bottom. So yeah, it's now quite heavy though, but the bag is itself is really light. So without all my stuff, it's very light, like you guys have no idea. So yeah, so that's what fits inside this bag. So I also just want to share that this is my first ever designer backpack. I'm really not a fan of backpacks. I'm more of a crossbody or shoulder bag kind of girl. So I don't know what really made me buy this, but probably I just wanted my first ever designer backpack. And if you guys were to ask me, like, out of all the designer backpacks out there, why this? Like, it's definitely not a classic looking bag, but I don't know, I just feel like it's so unique, and the leather is very soft. And even though like it's not a classic one, I feel like this is something that I will be using for a very long time, because it still looks very simple. It's clean, it's not too flashy because of the logo. Like, if you know this numbering right here, you'll probably know that it's Maison Margiela. But yeah, it doesn't scream designer for me, so it's really good and it's really simple and very chic, I believe, and edgy. So the dimensions for this bag is the width is 7 inches, the height is 8.6 inches, and the depth is 3.9 inches. You can actually wear this bag multiple ways. It has 5 slots or holes where you can attach the strap. 2 are on this side, I will show you guys later, and then 1 is right here, and then 2 are here at the back, at the lower back. So if you would want to wear this as a backpack, you will have to attach the straps right here, all the way here. And then if you would want to wear this bag as a crossbody, you would have to attach these straps right here at this side. So I'm going to put it here if I want to wear it like crossbody. If you want to wear it as a backpack, this is how you put the strap. My only concern for this one is that when you wear it as a backpack, it seems kind of like this is not very secure in my opinion, so it can slide, but once you wear it, like, I don't think it's gonna be a problem. As I said earlier, like, the only frustrating thing about this bag is that if you want to wear it as a backpack, like for example, I have it set up as a backpack strap right now, and if I put my arm right in here, like, it usually will like slide all the way through, as you guys can see. So you will have to grab the other side and then just set that up. but it looks really cute as a backpack. So that's my only like problem with this bag. I would like to mention that while I was filming myself wearing this bag, I did not remove like the contents of the bag except for my phone. That's the only thing that I removed. But let me put it in right now just to update you guys if the chain will hurt your shoulders if you put it. I would say it doesn't really hurt me right now if I wear it as a backpack. Like, the chains are not that heavy. Oh, that's the annoying part right now. So yeah, I don't think the straps will hurt my shoulders even though it looks like this. So with all the stuff that I have in my backpack right now, yeah, I would say it's okay. It doesn't really hurt my shoulders, but if I probably have more stuff inside, like if I really stuffed my bag, let's say if I put like a small tripod and my vlogging camera inside, it will probably be very heavy and it will probably hurt my shoulders if I like wear the bag for a long period of time. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found this video helpful if you guys are planning to buy this bag, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are interested, I will link this bag below so that you guys can go grab it, although I think this is currently sold out in the Maison Margiela website. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.